What's up, y'all? So here's the daily recap for April 30th, 2025. So we went 1-0 today. I actually took this trade at 1 a.m. and that was literally it. And that's the only trade that I took. So let's review the trade. Let me go into bar replay mode so we can see exactly what happened. So basically right here, I'm assuming that if price comes here, which is a strong 1 hour demand area, that it should at least go up to this area. So basically when I saw this bullish pin bar candle, price came back here, gave me a bullish pin bar candle. Now, I don't believe the high of this broke. Yes, so the high broke. So as soon as the high of it broke, I entered right here. Let me show you exactly what I entered so you can see exactly what I did. So I entered right here as soon as the high of the candle broke. That was my confirmation. Stop loss is below the wick of this candle and our 1 hour demand. And then I want to see if I can catch this move all the way to this top area right here. So my target was up here. Now, when price hits 1-to-1, I automatically take out half of my position or 75% of my position, and I move my stop loss to break even. So basically this happened while I was asleep. So as you can see, this move went straight up, and then I took out my runner up here at a 2-to-1. So automatically right here, 1-to-1, 75% out. Then price came up here, hit my 2-to-1, and then I took out the majority of my contracts. And then as you can see, I moved my stop loss to break even, and our runner was kicked out. And it was kicked out by this crazy move, which actually happened. And again, I didn't take this loss. I took my win. Got stopped out at my stop loss, my break-even stop loss. So this was a winning trade, a 2-to-1 winning trade, and then this big move happened. So now I also do have this area marked so that if price comes here or here, let me also mark that for you so you can see what I was looking at. If price comes here or here, then we can assume that it's going to be buying. Now, as you can see, as we continue to look, we can see that price gave a bullish engulfing candle pattern, which is a very strong indication that price wants to go up. And it's basically a solid bar candle as well. And this is all happening right at the previously broken daily supply area. So let me show you what I'm looking at. So right here was a daily supply area, broke it with force, came down to retest. And then when it came down to retest, what did it give us? It gave us this solid bar bullish engulfing candle pattern trap. Now, I would have entered this trade. Now let me exit bar replay mode so we can see where we're at now. So I actually would have entered this trade right here. As soon as the high is broken, stop loss will be here, but that's slightly a further stop loss. And then my 1-to-1 would have to be up here, which would be above the next supply area. And this is a supply zone. We assume that if price comes here, it's going to get dropped off, kind of like what this wick is doing now. And another reason I didn't enter this trade is because when you also look at the daily chart, we can also see that last time price came here, it created a very strong daily supply zone. So we can assume that if price comes here again, it should also drop down. So if we look at that 1 hour chart again, we can see that price doesn't have that much far to go before it should start dropping down again. So I don't want to try to buy anywhere in this area, although again, this is a high quality trade, and you can see we would have almost caught a 1-to-1. It looks like it's dropping down now, but I'm more bearish at this area because we have a lower high and price failed to reach this daily supply area. And the daily supply again is represented by this purple line, because last time price came here, it dropped all the way down to there. So we're assuming that price comes anywhere here, it's going to sell off. So again, we went 1-0 for the day. I did not take this trade. I'm just showing you what I could have done. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if this helped you out in any way. And let's get this.
Game trades.